Hi, I'm Tammy Graham, Business Analytic Consultant for LPA. I'm going to talk to you today about IBM Planning Analytics. Planning Analytics is deployable in the cloud or on-premise. It's flexible and user-friendly, and it can complete your needs for both planning and analytics solutions. Planning Analytics will help steer your business performance with greater speed, agility, and foresight. LPA has been in business for close to 20 years. We have consultants throughout the United States. Our consultants have experience in business intelligence, data warehousing, advanced analytics, financial performance management, ETL, and one you hear a lot about these days, AI. LPA is an IBM Platinum Business Partner, which is the highest level partnership possible with IBM in the analytics space. We are 100% focused on selling and implementing IBM analytic products. Our clients range from Fortune 100 to small businesses with less than 100 employees. LPA has 4 strategic business areas. In the business intelligence area, we specialize in IBM Cognos Analytics, system health and environment reviews, migration, upgrades, license and renewal assessments, and training. Information management and data warehouse. We specialize in the architecture and design of systems. ETL skills are critical to any successful implementation, and we are well versed in IBM, Microsoft, and many other ERP and SAP systems. We also ensure knowledge transfer and training in this area. Financial and operational skills. Here we specialize in architecture and design of systems. This is where we see the majority of our planning analytic clients. And again, we perform migration, upgrades, license and renewal assessments, and training. Advanced analytics is used in many ways. AI and machine learning are the two we deal with most often. We have data scientists on staff who are well versed in all areas of advanced analytics. As with all of our areas, we ensure knowledge transfer and training. Analytics strategy and roadmap development. No matter where you are on your analytics journey, our experts can help you get where you need to be, whether you are just starting or you're already well down the path. I'm sure you heard me mention knowledge transfer and training in our 4 areas of expertise. LPA prides itself on knowledge transfer and training. Our clients are successful only if they are able to use the systems we design and implement. Proper knowledge transfer and training is crucial to both our client and our success. This is a glimpse at a few of our clients. It's important to note that we are not specific to one particular industry. Every industry has data, and where there is data, LPA can help. We have a number of webinars and would like to invite you to make use of these at your leisure. In 2010, LPA implemented planning analytics for one of our clients' accounting department. The original model performed millions of calculations necessary to allocate centralized expenses across multiple lines of businesses, including automated processes which created journal entries. Our client decided to make better use of this asset and wanted to bring in their human resource data. It's important to note the existing process was accomplished in Excel, where HR headcount and expenses were manually keyed into templates. We've all been through an Excel process which can be prone to errors, poor security, and have a lack of version control. LPA and our client were able to create a process in a controlled, secure environment and reduce the monthly process by 200 to 300 hours. That is amazing. Working with our client, we not only reduced an arduous process by several hundred hours, we also enhanced the use of their human resource data, gaining insight and improving their ability to better manage this overhead expense. This slide demonstrates the many areas we can track and adjust with planning analytics. This particular data set is driven by department and position. Our client uses Contributor to manage budgeted resources, improving the use of available resources with the ability to adjust and update salaries, positions, transitions from part-time to full-time employees, bonuses, etc. as needed throughout the year. We were able to write rules and processes for specific cubes. In this particular case, we developed an automated process using critical key calculations to generate monthly journal entries. Automated processes, as we all know, decrease, if not eliminate, errors, which improves any process or procedure. This slide is an example of the client's input form. They have the ability to view open positions or upcoming vacancies, which assist them in better use of resources. They can adjust the action date, the status, part-time or full-time, headcount, and the hourly rate of pay. Just as the previous slide, this data allows insight and better forecasting ability. Keep in mind this is all real-time data, allowing managers the flexibility to better ascertain fluctuations in the industry and market. Visibility into how an adverse condition might impact budgeted hours and productivity could be monumental to the livelihood of a company, which is dependent upon manual labor. Examples of this might be driven by Mother Nature disasters such as a hurricane, tornado, or flood. It is a little unnerving to discuss such circumstances, but we can all agree it can happen and it can have a huge impact on your sustainability and your ability to remain profitable. This data demonstrates the ability to look at multiple variables which may affect labor cost and the profitability of your company. Planning Analytics has the flexibility to track and manage key indicators critical to your business. Planning Analytics can be customized to track existing data as well as incorporate data from other sources, increasing the power of forecasting and insight. This is another slide depicting variables and key indicators which are critical to the core of the client's operation. It's important to keep in mind that while this is human resource data, key indicators may be related to project management, manufacturing, retail, or other third-party data. It could even be industry benchmark data. Any data can be combined into what we call cubes, which allow you to slice and dice the data in a manner allowing insight and creating useful information for managers and executives. This slide is a small example of the use of cube data and the ability it provides to perform automated calculations. Automated calculations reduce errors and create what we call a version of truth. Let me explain a little bit more. It has been our experience that when we use data to calculate key indicators, the automated calculations inherently control one version of truth. An example of this might be unemployment rates. Department managers might calculate a new unemployment rate when hiring a new employee, using only their specific departmental information. While this calculation is useful to the department manager, the human resource calculation would include overall company unemployment data. While individual department calculations are useful, human resource calculations would most likely be used as the version of truth, and in all collaborations and reporting with other departments, managers, and executives. I decided to include this slide again because there's so much good information here. So let's review the multiple services LPA has to offer. We have 4 major business areas: business intelligence, advanced analytics, financial and operational performance, and information management. LPA has seasoned consultants in each business area, most consultants having 10+ years of experience. We have worked with large companies and small companies, and we are very good at helping clients recognize where their focus needs to be. To provide more value, we can create a personalized demo, identify a use case to get started, implement solutions, and enable your team with business, analytic, financial, or information management tool they need most. We can also assist with strategy planning, migration, upgrades, license and renewal assessments, and training. In conclusion, LPA and IBM Analytic Products have provided many companies from several industries better visibility into key areas of their business. LPA can consolidate data into one common platform, allowing you the ability to analyze trends and nuances you might not have otherwise known exist. We can also incorporate outside data such as weather, location, demographic, and risk data sets. Data is data, but until it is made useful and easily accessible, it's not informative. As always, thank you for taking time from your busy schedules. We appreciate your time and consideration. We would be delighted to earn your business. Please contact us for more information. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks, Tammy and the LPA team.